Jess has asked whether you have any favourite creams. She uses vitamin E for scars. Is that useful?
Yes,
or?
yeah, absolutely, that's great. I use the NAQI, so it's NAQI. They've got a skin optimising oil and a skin repair oil. I find both of those good because they contain omegas in there, and rosehip oil and a lanolic acid, which helps with the scars.
We were using Nivea because it smells nice. Yeah, over there. Yeah.
I forgot to bring the creams with me. But yes, there's alhydran, which is an aloe vera base, and it's got the jojoba oil, or however you would like to pronounce that. These are evidence and research tested products,
right.
So specifically for scarring.
What are the ones that claim to do things that don't? You've mentioned one oil already, which was, remind me again?
The bio oil.
Bio oil. But of course, we do see lots of
Yes.
I imagine there are lots of adverts for rejuvenating creams and all that sort of rubbish on TV. Are there ones out there you say, well, look, to avoid this, because despite what it says, it ain't going to do any good? I'm thinking for scar treatment, not for anti-aging or any of that sort of stuff.
Yes. I always say, I never like to basically, poo-poo anyone with the products that they're advertising or using. I always say, just look to see if it's been actually research tested on scars, because you can get aloe vera gels, which is great, but actually a lot of the cheaper stuff is the aloe vera powder. So they strip the aloe vera, they then freeze dry it in the powder, and then they transport it to the next country where they put it in the cream and then they sell it to you. So by the time you get it, it's got a small concentration of aloe vera. If you can get one that's stripped directly from the leaf, like the alhydran is, yes, it's more expensive, a lot more expensive, but it's going to be good stuff.
But it'll be evident from the contents and the percentage of aloe vera.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. But vitamin E, yes. There are research papers out there that says no for vitamin E for scars, but actually I've used it. I don't have any problems with aloe vera and scarring.